I was just exploring the city. Everything looked normal near the police station. People were standing peacefully. Nothing felt wrong.
Okay.
And then suddenly, they started shooting at each other. I got scared and ran straight to the hospital. I thought it would be safe. Shots everywhere, people running, total chaos. Then suddenly, one girl came with a stretcher and put me on it. She started pushing me around like I'm hospital delivery package. Left, right. I didn't even know where I was going. I jumped off the stretcher because I needed answers. I found a SWAT shield. Now I feel like movie hero. I went inside one hospital room and saw something shocking. One guy was lying on the bed and 3 people were attacking him. They were trying to eliminate him. This was serious. But suddenly, that guy pulled out a gun and started shooting back. Everything became even more crazy. So I ran outside the hospital as fast as I could, and then I saw a police helicopter landing on the street. I didn't think twice. I sat inside, and we took a full round of the city from the sky. Worst peaceful walk ever. Follow to see what happens next.